It's not easy to know which emerging technologies could make a difference to your business. Choose wisely, and you could boost productivity, increase staff engagement, and grow your profit. But get it wrong, and you could throw everything into chaos. Looking ahead to 2023 and beyond, here are the top 3 tech trends you need to know about. Number 1 is automation. Over the next couple of years, almost half of all business processes could involve some degree of automation. What repetitive tasks are humans doing in your business that software could do for them? Second, mobile connectivity. By 2025, an additional 4.3 billion devices, from cars to computers, will use mobile tech to access services. And it's a trend that's only going in one direction. Third up is cloud computing. 70% of companies already use cloud technologies. And by 2025, 3/4 of enterprise data, that's data processed by the biggest companies, will live in the cloud. Have you been thinking about these technologies for your business and how they could change the way you work? If you want us to help you plan for the future, get in touch.